Alrighty there, pluckers, Alpha Fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson. This is part one of my lessons on a song called Ozark from Jesse Wells. Hopefully you've seen my playthrough I did very recently. So this song is going to be broken into two parts. The part we're going to do today, which is purely about the intro, which doubles up as the outro as well. Okay, and the rest of the song will be in part two. This first part, the intro stroke outro, is probably the hardest part of the song, so I'm dedicating a little separate lesson to it. Okay, so basic information. I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on fret 4. Okay, fret 4 for the capo. This is as per Jesse Wells's way of playing the song. Okay, and we'll be playing it in the actual key of G sharp minor, but because we've got a capo on the fret 4, we'll be using standard open chords like E minor, A, G, C I think, and a D, and B7 I think. Okay, so let's get to it. So just about the intro, this one. Okay, so starting off nice and easy, a single strum on a E minor. Then we've got to do this. Okay, this is like, what am I doing there? So I'm fretting the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, B string, 3rd fret from the capo, and I'm hitting that note along with the top E string open. Okay, but I'm sliding it up on the 2nd string from 3 to 5. So, okay, just the top 2 strings, and the top string is open. Okay, so you got the first part, and then you go keeping that finger where it is on the 5th fret of the 2nd string and the top E string open. You go an up and a downer on those 2 strings, so it's, then we go down to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and you play that along with the top E string open. So you got, then we play, the 2nd finger plays the 4th fret from the capo on the 3rd string, the G string, and you play the 3rd string and 2nd string together. The 1st finger's on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, like that. So now you've got, okay, slowly. Okay, got that? Then we play that 3rd fret of the 2nd string on its own, just a single note. Okay, so you got, so we end up on that 3rd fret of the 2nd string on its own. Okay, so once again, slowly. Okay, then we go back to the 4th fret of the 3rd string again. So now we got this bit. And that's a slide from 4 on the 3rd string there, G string, down to the 2nd on the 3rd, and then open 3rd. So, okay, so now we've got this. Play that even slower. Then we play a G chord. I'm playing it like this, you could play it like that, okay, whichever. Just a single stroke on the G chord. Okay, now we've got this then. Alright. Alright, then we've got that little run. So when you play the G chord, we do this. 2nd fret of the 3rd string, Right, so it's, sorry, we play the open third first, sorry. So after the G chord, open third, then the second on the third, and I'm using my first finger, and then the 4th fret of the third. Then I put my second finger on that 3rd fret of the 2nd string, B string, okay? Alright? Got that? So now we've got then go back to that 4th fret on the 3rd string, so it's, and then the second on the 3rd, then the open 3rd, so it's, okay, and then the 2nd fret of the 4th string, so it's, and then we play a D chord, 4 downwards, okay. So now we've got this. Okay. Once again, very slowly. Then we do this. That's holding the D chord. You can either just do single notes, or you could play it as part of the D chord, or you could just go. So that's second on. Basically, what you need to hear is the second on the 3rd, to the 4th on the 3rd, back to the 2nd on the 3rd, then the open 3rd. So it's, so now we've got this. Alright, then we play a lazy A. So all I'm doing is I'm barring with my first finger the 2nd fret from the capo on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, along with the open A string, the 5th string, and I'm going from 5 down to 2. So far. Finally, you've got holding that lazy A, you play that 2nd on the 4th, up to the, then you add your 3rd finger to the 4th fret from the capo on the 4th string. So it's, okay, so after the D, and then play that, you can play along with the bar, 2nd fret of the 3rd string as well. So it's 2 together, it's double stops, 2nd on the 4th and 2nd on the 3rd on the bar of the lazy A. Then add that 3rd finger to the 4th fret of the 4th string and play the 4th string and 3rd string again, and then back to that one, and then open 4th string, E minor, and that's it. Okay, so very slowly. Very, very slowly.